Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. How are you guys? How's your morning? CPI went crazy, but pretty much predictable, right? Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Oh, not yet. I'm sitting flat right now, like nothing. Let me set up everything. So as you can see, flat. Oh, also this one. Okay. Nothing yet. That's SPX, waiting for market open. We're approaching all-time high on NQ, and I would like to see retracement, upcoming retracement first, honestly, before all-time high, but we will see, so I'm not going to predict. So yeah, we expect daily open on NQ and on ES. Let me set up everything right now. We'll remove some lines. No, I was looking for, remember what we discussed yesterday on gold? We only want to see 33.92. And so far we're expecting this level, so that's actually a nice move up. I mean, kind of deep retracement over here, but nice move up. No trades for me yet, unfortunately. Or fortunately. I still would like to see retracement before all-time high on NQ. Previous day high taken, OT of monthly week taken. Previous day high taken as well on ES. Yeah, it was, it was kind of deep retracement. Yeah, quite deep retracement. But yeah, I was bullish as well. On Euro, so we got reaction from daily fair value gap as we discussed before yesterday. We also got reaction from hourly fair value gap, and with reaction, as you can see, we got hourly bullish candle. We closed inside previous candle range, so that was bullish sign. So obviously not entry because no smart money reversal, but we got first bullish sign at this closure inside previous candle range within the daily fair value gap and hourly fair value gap. After this, we got hourly sweep. So entry was as a framework for distribution. So basically, framework for distribution was within this week. So basically, between open and low, switching on 5-minute chart, you want to find order block. We got OB over here. Entry, let me move. So entry was over here. So 5-minute potential hourly sweep, 5-minute order block, right? So after this, what I saw, like entry long, we got flat candle. It was partial level, and still I will keep my eyes on previous week high level. Actually, I don't know, but here's a partial simply because it was flat candle, and we need to invert our fair value gap, I would say. So partial taking over here. I'm looking for previous week high. If we get this, of course. So as I said yesterday, I will long on my personal account. I did that. So on my personal account, I entered over here. I took partial. It's partial level. Let's see if I took this. Not sure, honestly. Let's see. I will check right now on TradeView. Give me 1 second. And I moved at break even. Let me see if I took partial. I don't remember because I don't remember. Give me 1 second. I must take partial. I got partial. This flat candle. So basically, I got almost 3 hours in this trade. Let's see if we get a move higher. Okay, that's for euro. We discussed this yesterday. On gold, let's see if we get something on gold. Because I would like to see retracement on NQ and ES, upcoming retracement down before hitting all-time high on NQ. So let's see if we get retracement down on NQ and ES. I hope so, at least. So guys, any trades today for you? What I showed, no, it wasn't NQ, it was euro futures. 6E basically. We discussed this yesterday, right? So let's see if we get previous week high level, because if so, I'm going to make good money, but considering partial, like it's already good money, but still. Okay. All right. Oh, you traded in Q? Oh, nice long, by the way. Yeah, I didn't take any trades on in Q and ES today, as well as nothing on gold to me. Interesting candle. Yeah, a bit different on gold itself. We don't have change in the state of delivery just yet, as well as we don't have any sweeps, right? Nothing yet. Let's see if we get retracement on both assets, ES and NQ. Also keeping my eyes on YM right now. For giveaway, I just post Google form. You need to fill this Google form, and that's it, guys. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah. That's basically futures. On euro. Oh, you cannot. I'm sorry, guys. You cannot see. My bad. I forgot to switch the tab. So that's euro futures. 6E. I don't trade forex, but we discussed yesterday. We did top-down analysis on euro yesterday, so I like this. Sorry, guys. You probably. I'm so sorry. I didn't see like I am showing different tab. Oh, good job. Trading on CPI. I'm not that brave yet. Okay. YM has equal high, slightly higher. Also on YM, that's for a chart. Let me switch on 15 minutes then. Yeah, considering potential for our sweep, basically we got on any time frame, but potential hourly sweep, we got 15-minute OB. I'm looking for equal highs, honestly, previous day high on YM, unless we can. I mean, like, hard to believe it's going to like just drop without taking equal highs previous day high level. Okay, maybe at least internal buy side, which is still higher. The retracement fine, but reversal not buy side liquidity. Yeah, something like this. I'm fine with the retracement, like nothing wrong with this. But we need to pump it anyway. I refuse to believe in complete reversal. It's going to be crazy. Also, considering SPX, we have room to go lower. So I believe it's going to open somewhere, I don't know, like somewhere here at this range. So rejection necessary, but we need to see slightly higher on YM still. So that's buy side liquidity on SPX. We have RTH cap, right? So we're going to open somewhere here, right? Not sure exactly where. Like, I cannot see the future. but preferably. At this point, ES can also retrace down, maybe a reverse down, but we need to see move slightly higher. At least on YM, you know, like we need this move. Let me set, by the way, alert, so maybe I will miss this, as always. 2 alerts, 4 buy side and equal highs. CL. I don't know why CL this week, it's on the Tuesday, no, but feels like just choppy. Just, yeah, kind of hard to trade on CL. Maybe that's me. Maybe. So we still don't have potential sweep on 30 and hourly just yet to trade gold short. And if I want to see lower, the question of where I would like to see. Let me see what we have on high time frame. Because right now we're inside OT and 4-hour value gap. I know. You know, just huge fair value gap, and we're already inside this fair value gap. Let me extend this. Okay, maybe I would like to see this BPR. Can I call this like BPR? Because it's a kind of ugly example, but yeah. We'll type inversion. So inversion at 78, 33, 78.40. That's only the level that we'll have probably if it wants to present short opportunity, which I don't see just yet. I mean, I don't see the model that I trade on gold yet to short this. You said you would like to see the retracement to 720. I would agree. I would agree with you. So it's already inversion for a value gap. I kind of like it. Let me rename this. Back to 720. 720 lines up with 50% of inversion. Yeah, I do like it. Looks good. NQ has nice short setup on one. Let's check. You want a short of this breaker block and inversion for a value gap? I got this right? There is no potential sweep. Oh, okay, order block. Okay, I would say same plan. I would like to see just lower, like 30, 50 points lower for the retracement down, especially if we hit just a monthly week on ES. OT of this monthly week, so makes sense. Makes sense. You want to see high? Yeah, I would say same, especially if we got reaction on gold from 4-hour fair value gap. We have zero setup. At least I don't see any setups to short gold just yet. So no setup. This means still let's go up. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see if we get this retracement. Yeah, after such a big move up, makes sense to retrace. Let's highlight data high and data low. Oh, look at this candle, guys. See? CPI low, data low is flat candle. Let's highlight this. CPI low, flat candle. That's important. Oh, it's not flat candle. Give me 1 second. Time to compare this on it's not flat candle, my bad. I'm just blind, guys. So yeah, we got just CPI low. It's not flat candle. Just one tick candle. Yeah, I got it. I fix this. CPI high, CPI low. Exactly the same I'm going to highlight on ES. CPI high. CPI low. Okay. Close enough. Exactly. Okay, guys. Let's see if we get retracement at least to hourly inversion for a value gap first. Somewhere here. And then we will try to act accordingly. So because right now it's still inversions that need to retest. It wasn't. It was SPX. A deep retracement, like 20 points lower, will be great to see. Journal app, TradeZella. I always recommend this. 720, agree with this level. Yes, totally fine. Maybe slightly lower. So 720 lines up is 50% of inversion, maybe even lower. Yes, would like to see same level. Okay. I only use 5 indicators, nothing else. Yes, I do have coupon if you would like to use like normal code as always. Thank you. It should give you 20% off. I wouldn't say like we have like direct correlation between NQ and DXY. So my answer probably no. Yes, I would say sometimes when NQ goes up, DXY going lower, but it's not direct correlation. Like I wouldn't use this. Invert correlation, by the way. Pink, this pink area is 1 hour inversion for a value gap. Better to see 1 hour inversion. Maybe I need to make my text a bit bigger because sometimes it's hard to see. Let me change to 16, like this. Better to see? Going to delete some levels to keep my chart clean. For example, I would say gold quite choppy right now, but pretty much moving in the same direction. Okay, we entered the 1 hour inversion fair value gap. You entered I mean, yes, I can see. I'm sorry, guys. I can see we got 3-minute OB, but I cannot find like any other confirmation. Like, okay, maybe we're expecting 50% of this 30-minute week, but we don't have the models that you're probably talking about right now. Right? I mean, yes, it's 3-minute order blocks, yes, but there is no sweep at all. Like 50% of previous candle week. We're trying to respect this level. Yes, we do have 3-minute OB. That's it. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. About news. Yeah, gold and Q and euro just pumped hard. Yes. Thanks, Steven. So okay, we just entered this 1 hour. Let me delete this for now. This 1 hour inversion for value gap. We got retest of new week opening gap on ES, right? So let's see what will happen next. By the way, we had minor SMT before the pump. Still see a trading within 15-minute candle range. So basically within CPI 15-minute candle range. You okay, with dollar, DXY, and NQ, it's inverse correlation. I didn't watch this. I will. Thank you. Yes, we need to trade this potential sweep, and this potential sweep will be confirmed by 3-minute order block. For example, let's see where I can show you example. Let's do this on YM. Talking about 3-minute chart. Okay, let me see on 3-minute chart. Ugly example, but maybe we can find. Okay, well, this one. So, for example, why it's important. As you can see on YM, we got potential sweep, right? Okay, it's not potential anymore. It's already sweep. Let me delete this candle. So over here we have potential sweep. Why it's potential sweep? Because we don't know where it's going to close. Maybe it will like close below this low. We don't know yet. Maybe it will close within this candle range. Once again, we don't know yet. And in order to confirm this potential sweep, once again, it's not like 100% guaranteed, right? But we can have high chance of probability. In order to confirm potential sweep, once again, potential because we don't know where it's going to close. We need to get OB. Once we can get order block, so basically we need to get the closure above sequence of done close candles. We got pretty much big wick, so I'm going to use body at this point. So for example, we just got the closure, and at this point I can say we got potential sweep on 30-minute chart confirmed by 3-minute order block on lower time frame alignment chart. Hourly 5-minute, 30-minute, 3-minute. And I want to aim for 2R, for example, right? Just like, for example. Okay, where is another chance to enter? So let's say we miss this trade. Happens sometimes. So another chance to enter the trade will be fresh OB. So basically, closure above this level, like this. I can add to my position. I can just enter the trade over here. I forgot about stop loss. How can I bring this back? And I forgot to mention about stop loss. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you again. So I can enter over here. I'm going to move my stop loss below order block. You can aim for 2 hour of this entry or for your original entry. Like you got the point, right? So if you would like to scale, you can enter at the open of next candle once we got fresh OB on 3-minute chart, and within next candle, not within this candle, next candle. And you got the point, right? Like this. Okay. I explained this in my video. Oh, actually, I explained how to deal with sweep on both sides in my video. Let me send the link to this video. I even show you example how you can avoid losses. I mean, sometimes I do exactly the same mistake, so this happens. But still, here is the video, guys. I'm going to send the link in the chat in a moment. Where I covered this. Okay. Okay, all right. And here we go. This video. I explain model. By the way, model that I trade on gold CL works on YM as well. I tested this. I can try this right now at least. Because if you want to trade sweep, you cannot blindly just enter the trade because we got sweep. Let's say like we got over here, right? We got sweep. I cannot blindly enter on 30-minute chart simply because we got this sweep. No, I must switch in lower time frame. We have a time frame alignment chart. Like let's start with daily, hourly chart. 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart, hourly 5-minute chart, and 30-minute 3-minute chart, 15-minute 1-minute chart. So you must use time frame alignment chart to confirm your high time frame sweep on lower time frame. Because even if we got so-called potential sweep, but we see it failed to offer order block on lower time frame, probably the sweep is going to fail, right? That's important. That's important. Yeah, in order to not get trapped, we need to trade in the direction of high time frame trend. That's it. If you clearly understand where market is going, so you will avoid taking unnecessary losses, right? So, we are inside for our fair value gap on gold. And according to my plan yesterday, we discussed this together. From this for our fair value gap, I would like to see at least attempt to offer long. So I would like to be more bullish than bearish on gold. What about you guys? What kind of indicator is that? Can you please give us a name? We're gonna check this. I'm going to check this after Steam. But SMT by Friday pretty much solid. Yeah, pretty much I would say 3 candles can show you pretty much solid setup. That's it. Which journal I recommend? Any you like. Any journal is nice. I don't think it's important how it looks, honestly. Yes, I do have loss limit. I don't want to lose more than 500 a day, but right now with this market conditions, I decreased to 400. So 400 is my max loss limit for the day. I don't want to lose more than $400. It's okay, so just share with us. Even if you have any affiliates, so that's fine. Effective. Any journal is effective. Just trust me. Okay, we kind of stuck at this 1 hour inversion fair value gap and weekly open on ES. Bullish today, gold or indices? I mean, like, ideally, like at least $600 at least. But anything above $600 is just extra bonus, right? Will be nice to see. I have this indicator. What is your question about this? I like it. I use TradeZella every single day, so I like it personally. CL stuck in chop. Guys, I finished my day yesterday with 0 trades. I didn't even try, so yeah. I mean, just I took long on Euro, but it wasn't on funded accounts. Here's the partial level. I entered over here. I mean, I already got this kind of trade. But I didn't take any trades on NQ or gold or ES. I wish I could take something, but nothing. I'm just not going to lie. Yesterday, I didn't see any good trades, like at all. Gold kind of choppy right now. It's okay, so not always we are going to get perfect trade, right? Sometimes you're going to just sit on our hands. Oh, yesterday we discussed this trade on Euro. So we entered daily fair value gap. We discussed what kind of conditions we need to have to enter long. And I used conditions like daily fair value gap, hourly fair value gap. So as you can see, yeah, we broke this daily fair value gap. That's okay. But this up close candle closed within previous candle range. Okay, that's what first bullish sign for me. Another bullish sign for me was sweep where I entered. So this potential sweep was confirmed on 5-minute chart by 5-minute OB. And after this, we got inversion. So basically, we broke distortion low. We got inversion. So my stop loss was equal lows. Just in case I'm wrong. So I was trading just 2 minutes, not 1 minute, 2 minutes. My risk wasn't big, like at all. I risked like $600 total on this trade. And partial level over here. And I still would like to see previous week high level. Maybe we will not get this because overall choppy. But idea was once again a reaction from daily fair value gap. We got flat candle and it was my partial level. And I have previous week high level as final TP. I closed just one contract left to previous week high level. Let's see how it goes. I don't know. Maybe it will stop me at break even right now. We will see. Not going to predict something. Not right now, like today. Still playing in this trade, so. Okay. Any chance to go to all-time high? Big chances, honestly. Oh. Give me 1 sec. I cannot see your message, by the way. You posted 5 times, but I cannot see any. Maybe that's not only me. Oh yeah, of course you can. Just send me a message. I will check this. I I guess I saw your message. You said you have this India, right? Indicator. Yeah, of course. I'm bullish. I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. Okay, okay, I see now. I copy this. Let me enter to my notes. Okay, thank you. I have it. I mean, not have it yet. I'm going to check this. Yeah, you can send me. I'm going to check. Maybe even now. Oh, yeah, probably so. Yeah. No way you. I have no chance. Yes, I have watch list. Exactly. Oops. Why it moved? Why it moved? Yes, I have it. And you can sort its watch list like your favorites. By the way, gold is my favorite. Like futures, stocks, forex pairs, and crypto, right? Which is not crypto, by the way. Oh. This is what I'm watching. I have watch list and highly recommend everyone to have watch list. You can jump between. Instruments, right? Okay, it's still quite choppy on gold. Still trying to respect upper half of 4-hour fair value gap. We have 1 hour inversion slightly lower, just in case it wants to offer deeper retracement to this 4-hour fair value gap. It's okay, so I will accept this. We have 1 hour inversion at 33.78. It's okay. Market maker sell model on NQ. Yes, probably. But for this, we really need to stay below previous day high level after market open. At this point, yes, that's perfect market maker sell model. So basically, what can happen? Just idea, for example. And in order to consider this as market maker sell model, specifically first stage of distribution, we need to respect this area, like order block, original consolidation, and then lower. Only at this point, yes, market maker sell model. Okay. I just press probably just me, but I don't see first stage of distribution just yet for market maker sell model. Feels like it's trying to form, but we don't have it yet. How you need to play? Okay, let me show you what I do normally. I will show you how I plan my trade. I mean, my bias at least. Let me log into TradeZella. Give me 1 second. Um, I have pre-market plan. I have notes and I have pre-market plan. I do this every single day. Not every single day when I trade. It looks like this from TradeZella. Give me 1 second. Let me make it bigger. So this TradeZella, and I have like pre-market plan every day. Not every day when I trade. So it was posted at 7:54 a.m. So my plan was if CPI will pump with strong break above London high, I want to long to previous day high level. Since it was with just one single candle, obviously like no chance to enter long to previous day high level, but it was my plan. We got just strong move up with immediate break of previous day high level. So, but plan play out. Also, I have like invalidation if it's going to break previous day low level first with strong closure below this level. So at this point, I can consider potential bearish move. That's my pre-market plan, so you can read this actually. Yeah, that problem was like I want too long, but it was just immediate long. Oh, it's TradeZella. 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 So it was my plan. Once again, I posted this, created 7:48, and last updated, I just finished writing this at 7:54. As you can see, it took me 6 minutes to prepare pre-market plan. Let's see if we get gold trade. I don't mind. I don't mind to trade gold today, not NQ and ES. Yeah. Once again, it doesn't really matter how your journal or your notebook looks, right? Who cares? I have this even on my iPad, like notes there. Giveaway after 10. 20 what? Where? Like, yes? Invalidation most of the time will be when you're trying to frame your trade against the trend, right? So guys, market is open. So let's see if we get this pump as I mentioned before, but preferably, once again, if it wants to be market maker sell model for some reason, it's possible, but not preferably. We need to break previous day high level right at market open. So like right now. Otherwise, this chance to see lower. Like once again, as long as we stay below previous day high level, I would like to see CPI low and New York midnight open retest. But yes, I would like to see slightly higher first, like not just drop with this from this consolidation, but invalidate this market maker settlement by break above previous day high level, and we should go to 24K. 24K, like psychological level. Discord, absolutely brilliant idea. I also used it before. Brilliant idea. This is what I did as well. I created channel, lots of channels. Yeah. Great idea. And free, by the way. Let's see if gold also can pump. You mean OT of this range? This OT? I just really don't want to see just drop right market open. Oh, so guys, let me remove something. So you don't need to hit like 400 likes. I mean, you can, but you don't need this to participate in giveaway. Give me 1 second. I'm going to remove this just for now. Okay, I removed this, so you don't need this. Gold, I would like to see gold slightly higher, as I said before. So we're still trading inside CPI 15-minute candle range. Okay, same exact plan. Maybe on ES. Maybe. On the test of New York midnight open, we got OB on both. Maybe. So like considering CPI like analysis from last year, I noticed when we like if it wants to go up, normally we go to CPI low first, especially on CPI days. So CPI low taken, potential reaction, reversal, retracement, something. So I would like to see CPI low, and CPI low lines up with New York midnight open, so I will keep my eyes, even if I'm bullish, guys. I would like to see all-time high. But I kind of just maybe don't mind to see a move lower first before moving higher to all-time high. Let me, by the way, remove begin point. Empty model for long as well, by the way. Let me switch on MNQ. We'll try to compare between NQ and MNQ. 2-minute chart. Oh, I was like, why it looks so different? Okay, MNQ and NQ looks different. A bit different. Again, hate it so much. So we have empty model for long. I hate... Okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to check this first. SMT with ES at lows, right? I'm going to remove OT. We got 2-minute order block. So basically 2-minute order block right now sitting at this range. Open of next candle after we got order block must be entry. So I'm not in trade yet, so I'm just watching right now. Just not quite sure because I want to see slightly lower first. That's why I'm like, buy longs. It's kind of tricky, so probably we'll stay, we'll wait a bit more. It's kind of tricky to me. By the way, compare, guys. See this huge wick down on MNQ. Compare this with NQ. Full port long and hold until the end of the day. Maybe. What level you'd like to aim for? Like 24K? Like, not full portion, obviously. But not trades yet for me. Maybe I will be sad after missing this trade, but I'm not sad right now, so I'm not comfortable right now with entering this long yet. Epics needs 90%. Maybe after like yesterday and today they will do 90% off. So guys, I'm not in this trade. I'm not comfortable right now to long this. Because from OT, I would like to see lower to CPI low, then long from New York midnight open CPI low. That's my plan. Let's see how it goes. Also, we have, as you can see, fair value gap, but pretty much balanced leg on MNQ. Okay. I will give it a time. I will give a bit more time. It's not enough for me to enter long just yet. Once again, on MNQ, we don't have this fair value gap, but we do have this fair value gap on NQ, right? Quick check on TradingView. Guys, can you please check on your Ninja Trader? Do you have this huge wick instead of this small wick? This small wick. Why I have it? Okay, then never mind. Seems like maybe Ninja is lagging a bit. I know. Okay, we have this fair value gap on both from NQ and NQ. Okay, that's pretty much completely two different pictures then. So we have 2-minute fair value gap. We traded above, below 9 a.m. open. We traced down to 2-minute fair value gap. Okay. Like ignoring Ninja Trader, I like this long setup then. Anticipating first minute fair value gap so far as well. ES is approaching CPI high. Good morning, everyone who just joined. Good morning. Do we have any news at 10? So maybe I just will wait for 10 a.m. I'm going to check right now. Give me 1 second. Not important news. Like some of FMC members speaking, but I don't think like it's important. Okay, that's like, okay, I'm going to ignore right now Ninja Trader. I like how MNQ and NQ looks for upside move. For this move. Where it is. Okay. Disappeared. Where is my... I don't want to draw this. Okay, this one. Okay, like, okay, I like this. Let's see if I get previous day high test. Okay, I'm not on this trade, so full port longs. Okay. Anyway, not trades for me yet. Just wondering why my MNQ looks so different. I don't know why. I see some volatility on tape as well. It's still inside OT range, but once again, market is quite bullish right now. Okay. Are there any short idea from this chart? I mean, not yet. Nope, not yet. I highlighted M2 model over here. Like you need to risk 50 points to make 100 points. It's okay, don't really care. Like it's not going to change the picture anyway. It's going higher on Ninja Trader. It's going higher on TradingView. So who cares? What kind of second entry would like to enter? Where? Like at this order block? Kind of in premium. I mean, you can, but your stop must be at this sync low anyway. Right? I don't like that it's right at OT and in premium. Maybe that's me, but I don't really like this. It's not really propulsion block, and probably I'm going to explain why. So I would like to see at this done close candle we traded into previous order block. As you can see, we were close, but we didn't touch previous OB, so it's just fresh order block. That's it. It's not propulsion block because at least how I understand this, we need to trade to this order block to anticipate propulsion block. So approaching CPI high on ES and NQ. Let me check YM real quick. YM nice move up as well. We still have buy side, internal buy side, and equal highs higher. At least, like I would like to see higher YM. We have internal buy side and we have equal highs, which is previous day high level. I'm once again, I'm not in trade just yet. Once again, maybe I will be sad that I miss this trade, but I don't feel like it's A+++++ entry. Like, as I said before, I would like to see a bit deeper retracement down first. But anyway, I still like it. Like, all-time high. We got RTH test of previous day high level. Let me type this. Oops, previous day high level. Look at this rejection. Look at this. See? That's how to call this? Like, that's intuition. That's logic that sometimes help me to avoid taking unnecessary losses. Can you look? I'm bullish on gold. I would like to see higher on gold. BV barely got like 1.1 R, maybe even less. Let me check. Let's see if we still. I would say we're still inside OT. Yeah. That's actually nice. If it wants to respect OT to drop to CPI low first, then long from there. Oh, you missed me? So still no trades for me. Very low, like 750 and okay, we have 10 points difference with this low of this current candle on 2-minute chart on NQ and MNQ. I see volatility. I guess we have news or what? What is going on, guys? Who can tell me what is going on? It's not because of macro. Don't tell me that's because of macro. Oh, okay. Trump tweet something. Because of blue magnet. By the way, we just checked back to 2-minute order block so far. We still sit inside this 2-minute order block. Yes, we got 2-minute inversion. Let's see what we have on 5-minute chart. I would say nothing interesting. It's quite choppy. But I do like how we respect in OT. At least something good is going on. Come on, Evra, just hit my TP, please. I'm still holding Evra, by the way, to previous week high level. Partial was at flat candle. I still holding higher. Let's see if I get this. Not sure, but stop loss at break even right now on my Evra trade, on my long. I mentioned this long yesterday from daily fair value gap. Let's see how it goes. I will keep you updated if it's going to break even or not. I hope it's not going to break even. I need like previous week high level. Actually, I will move probably to, let me move my stop loss. I will probably move to 50%. Like conservative. But still, I already took partial. My stop loss at break even. I already made money. Traded 2 minutes. I will probably just move my stop loss. I like how NQ drop and at least something good is going on. Let's take CPI low first. Okay, let me switch on YM. My computer. Another screen is about to stop working, seems like. Give me 1 second. I'm checking it's YM. YM struggling. It's quite big stop loss, I believe. Let me see. Not yet. Not ready to short YM yet. I'm sorry, guys. I know like about YM trade yet. Kind of, I know, like not comfortable right now, just yet. Would like to see New York midnight open on both assets, ES and NQ. CPI low. Interesting how ES and NQ trying to drop. I'm keeping my eyes right now on YM, and YM kind of struggling. Interesting. Let's see what will happen. It's going to be interesting because I just would like to, for the first time, to compare YM, NQ, and ES. And on YM, we also have potential sweep, but YM still looks more bullish than NQ and ES. ES and NQ looks. We need to take CPI low, I believe. Yeah. YM, tricky YM. YM left some room to go higher, definitely. But we still, once again, have, let me check CPI. Yeah, we still trading within CPI. High CPI candle on 15-minute chart. Let's see. Didn't hit New York midnight open, did not hit CPI low on NQ. And New York midnight open on ES just yet. We got 3-minute order block. We got 3-minute inversion. Interesting. I'm watching right now gold and YM. YM and gold looks pretty much similar right now. Interesting. Once again, seems like YM just left internal buy side liquidity higher and equal highs higher. So maybe it's not going to be in sync with ES and NQ just yet. Because once again, we still trade inside CPI 50-minute candle. We have buy side liquidity higher, and we do have equal highs higher. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, ES did not hit New York midnight open. It was kind of obvious level to me, in my opinion. Look at NQ. NQ was so close to CPI low. I used to believe it's going to fail, like to take CPI low. My screens are struggling right now. M and Q. Yeah, I would like to see YM slightly higher first. We need to take at least some sort of liquidity level to short this. Previous day high taken on ES and NQ failed on YM. Okay, that's probably my concern just yet. To short YM. I mean, I don't mind, but I believe it's still early. Okay. I will keep my eyes right now on NQ. NQ respect the 3-minute order block, but did not take CPI low. Where is mean threshold? Give me 1 second. I'm going to check. Ideal scenario on NQ that I would like to see. Not sure about YM yet. Quite big range today, so I need to trade a really small size. Like couple of micros, 3 micros maybe. We got another order block. Let's see if it's going to respect this order. Not sure yet. Not sure yet. Because I was looking for the idea of like another short from fresh order block to previous day low level, but I'm not quite sure yet. It's still the same 50-point stop, like stop. Interesting. NQ trying to drop, YM trying to pump, and ES just stuck in consolidation. Yes, CPI low taken. That's great. CPI low taken only on NQ. On YM and ES, it's still lower. Also, NQ approaching daily open, while once again ES still above New York midnight open, CPI low daily open as well. So I just feel like, I know, like YM is more bullish, NQ is more bearish, and ES just consolidating. Annoying. Definitely. CPI low taking nice. Yes, preferable to take a New York midnight open somehow. Still holding my long on euro. Not going to close. So let's see how we can react from daily open first. But once again, I don't want to see action from daily open. I would like to see action from New York midnight open on ES. YM bullish. Feels crazy, right? But yes, YM definitely more bullish than NQ and ES. We'll stay away from YM just yet. YM needs to take internal buy side liquidity level and equal highs. Oh, yeah, like this. Pretty much like this. CPI high taken on YM, internal buy side liquidity taken, and previous day high still higher. So let's see. So it's 10:02, guys. Let's see if we get silver bullet or something. Yes, YM is done. So on YM, it's enough for me. So I don't need like move higher, huge move higher, just yet. So trying to respect daily open, but once again, like also we got equal lows. I do like to see reaction from New York midnight open, so I would like to see ES slightly lower to New York midnight open today. Silver bullet between 10 and 11. Trying to compare MNQ and NQ just for now. We have big SMT between ES and NQ. Interesting how guys compare YM, NQ, and ES. It's just not in sync at all. How is it possible to just pump hard on YM, consolidate on ES, and drop on NQ? Crazy, right? What this title says, I already changed this. Change it. But still, like crazy. Trying to respect daily open. I don't really like how we're trying to respect daily open, to be honest. MNQ. Doesn't want to break daily open. Let me check daily candle real quick. Yeah, considering this week, it's just feels like more bearish. But okay, let me go back to daily chart right now to show you something. So as you can see, we got potential sweep, right, on daily. This means I need to switch on 1 hour chart and confirm this potential sweep by order block. We have sweep, like we don't have OB. This candle opened like 6 minutes ago. We didn't get any sweep, any closure yet. It's not OB. We just got sweep. And ES traded to hourly fair value gap. Okay. We got potential sweep on 30-minute chart. Switching on 3-minute chart, we got 3-minute OB, which is confirming this potential sweep. And still, we didn't take any important level, any significant level lower. My concerns there. So I just would like to see ES to New York midnight open, especially since we hit this level on NQ. This makes lots of sense. Like, oh, yeah, it's pretty much the same. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same, so never mind. So I hope to get something. I really want to trade pre-market, but gold said like, not today. The only week when I decided to steam early to trade pre-market, gold did not provide any good setups to me. That's illegal. Gold pretty much just choppy, as you can see. Garbage price action since 7 a.m. Gold, don't act like this, please. I would say same for CL. Only what warms my heart is my long on euro. That's it, nothing else. Holding guys until previous week high level if we get this. I will trail my stop loss in profit because right now it's break even, and I will switch my stop loss at this swing low. Once we hit this buy side, I'm going to set alert. We'll keep you updated, but still in long. Please, go to TP. We need some profit, good profit today. And Q, I know, like about to fail again. Like 1 hour and that's it. 1 hour trade. I would say 1 hour trades recently pay lots of money. Like if you decide to hold for 2 hour, probably it's going to fail. But 1 hour trade, like every setup with 1 hour, like nice recently. Okay, miner SMT at highs. Yeah, barely like 1 hour trades. Not for me, not for me. Not even 1.5 hour. Anyway, woke up today at 4:45 a.m. again to go to the gym. It was hard, but I forced myself to wake up early. Okay, this blue line is 9 a.m. open. This orange line is 9 a.m. open. This blue line is order block. Order block on 3-minute chart, order block on 3-minute chart. Algo was changed. I mean, not really, because when I'm not going to lie, and probably you know this as well, but when we have like seek and destroy, especially or consolidation, ICT doesn't work inside this consolidation or seek and destroy profile. That's it. It's not because of algo change, that's simply because this concept doesn't work. Maybe I don't see how it works. Maybe that's me, maybe. But I'm pretty confident, and when we chop it, ICT concept fails. Maybe I'm wrong once again. Maybe you see this different, but this is how I see this. Okay, once again, we have minor SMT at these highs. Anyway, I don't want to trade PM session. Maybe I will give a chance for lunch, but if I'm nothing until 11. Oh, by the way, Google form, guys, to participate in giveaway. My bad. Guys, let's start giveaway. I'm sorry, guys, I forgot about this. Guys, here's Google form to participate in giveaway. My funded futures scale plan. Hello, guys. If you would like to participate in giveaway, here is the link. Just participate in giveaway. I want to see previous day low level probably. I want to see New York Midnight Open and Daily Open initially, but previous day low level seems better. $50% off. Lucid, right? I never try them. I never read information about them. Guys, who has Lucid evaluation or funded with them? Share your opinion about this. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, here is a form. I have straight to funded with Tradify and funding ticks. I mean, that's nice. I would say LumiTraders also has straight to funded, seems like Lucid as well, but I never saw information about them. I never saw people talk about them. Share your opinion about this. 90% countries. Okay. Just share your opinion about this. By the way, guys, good news for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will stream on my funded futures at 10 a.m. And I will run special sale on my funded futures. So right now it's 5% off. I will give you 20% off on any evaluation, any size, any evaluation you like. So tomorrow, only 30 minutes, from 10 to 10:30, I will be on my funded futures TV, where I will run special sale. So once again, right now they're running 5% off. I will run 20% off. Yes, I can see you wrote something bad there. So once again, tomorrow at 10 a.m., I will be on my funded futures TV. Subscribe to their channel, not to miss this. And I will run special sale. Special sale will be 20% off on any plan, any size, any evaluation. 20% off. You can use up to 5 times and only 30 minutes. From 10 to 10:30, this sale will be valid. So right now it's 5% off for everyone, but tomorrow I will run 20% off for only 30 minutes. Let me read this. You wrote something bad there, right? Let me check. Let me extend a little bit. I didn't see something bad yet. What is your YouTube username? Oh, okay. I didn't see something bad. Oh, let's do tab analysis on forex pairs, because once again we did yesterday on euro and it's playing out well so far. With partial, nice partial over here. Let's see which one. Okay. You want to short? Let's do tab analysis. Top-down analysis. Okay, talking about potentials. Let's see. Let's start with monthly, so to see at least what kind of bias we have. Oh, okay. We have monthly inversion. We don't have change in the state of delivery just yet. We have monthly fair value gap. We got potential sweep, which must give us reaction. We got weekly order block. Okay. Weekly OB. We got the test of weekly order block. Oh, we already took this flat candle, right? Okay. What level you would like to aim for? Previous week high? Week low, I mean. Ideally to be protected high if it wants to go lower. But once again, depends on what level you would like to aim for. We have a monthly fair value gap higher, which probably will be taken. Okay, I will short. Probably will look for short. It's not short yet. You in short already? It's not short yet. Maybe I'm wrong, of course, but it's not short yet. Guys, why it's not short? Who can tell me why it's not short yet? Why? Does anyone know? Why it's not short? Like, feels like solid on 1 hour chart. Yeah, we don't have shift yet. I wouldn't short just yet if you want to short on hourly. I will short with closure. Probably will short with closure. It's not short yet. I can be wrong, but not yet. with closure. Mm-hmm. We don't have short setup, guys, yet. If you want to short this, I mean, if you see any other setups, but consider top-down analysis, no short. Just once, yes. Form just once. Here's the form, guys, if you would like to participate. No short. Still valid long. Nothing invalidates this yet. I'm in this long, by the way. Gold. Look at this gold. Okay, gold. Look at this gold trade. Okay, trying to drop to this 1 hour inversion for a value gap. And Q, nothing yet. So no short. Who asked me about forex pair? So no short for me yet there. You said 820 is buy side liquidity. Okay. Second day in a row, kind of choppy price action. After market open. Respected CPI low, while CPI low never was taken on ES. I will keep my eyes on this level later. Okay, I will send you email if you're going to be winner. Don't worry. Guys, who won yesterday and last week? Did you receive your accounts? Just let me know. Hmm? Yes, no. You haven't received yours. With epics between 3 and 5 micros this month. I didn't trade on Friday, I didn't trade yesterday, and no trades today still. So also 3 days in a row. Ech. Oh, perfect. Okay, perfect. Oh, I already said I was looking because yes, reverse from nowhere. I was looking for New York Midnight Open CPI low on both assets. So I consider this as fake reversal, honestly. I still kind of feel like that's the issue, you know. Sometimes I'm just waiting for confirmation on yes, and I'm just probably ignoring setups on NQ. Giveaway, I already sent the form. Here's the form, guys, to participate in giveaway. So not no trades 3 days in a row, like season flat at all. Unfortunately, just cannot see solid setups that worth to try. Even my favorite gold is quite choppy. So I mean, like I'm in trade right now on euro. That's it. But it's I don't want to count this because it's not like more swing trading. That's it. I still feel like I just feel like it's kind of tricky. I'm not sure about my bias right now. I just didn't anticipate it to get New York midnight open on ES, but let's see how it's struggling so far. I'm just not sure about my bias yet. I mean, I'm bullish on high time frame. I don't mind to see all-time high, but I just not sure this retracement down was enough. I mean, you still gambling simply because you don't have your model, your strategy. Probably that's why you just enter because you want to see something. That's why. Right? You think like YM is going to take previous week high level? It's already pumped more than expected today. So previous week, it's kind of close, by the way. Yeah. But I'm not fine like to sit without trades at all for 3 days in a row. It's already annoying to me. Like I don't want to chase, but it's already annoying simply because I cannot find high probability entry at all. Like, okay, maybe in Q is hard for me. I'm not lying. Like it was hard for me this month. But gold is also feels choppy. I can probably just swing trade and that's it. Because I got perfect trade on gold last week for 80 points. And I got pretty much solid trade on euro, but nothing I traded on lower time frame recently. Because I mean, like when I'm trying to journal, like even if I didn't have any trades, I see on high time frame it was like, okay, this move was obvious. It was great move up, like no questions. Just for example, but when I go on lower time frame to find good entry, I cannot see good entry, but I see perfect move and structure on high time frame. That's kind of tricky. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, just fill this form. You got in long and 3-minute inversion free ball gap in 1 hour order block as high time frame. Okay. Also, we got sweep, as you can see, of this up close candle. So basically we don't have hourly OB yet. Still sitting flat, guys. Like, no complaints, obviously, about this, but a bit annoying. We got the test of 3-minute inversion fair value gap, OT. Okay. It's quite choppy on 20-minute chart. I'm keeping my eyes on this. Okay. If no trades, annoying, but it's better than taking unnecessary losses, right? Settings for my SMT indicator variable on my YouTube video. So I have video about ICT indicators, and I actually covered every single setting there. Yeah, I see this reversal. Yeah, it looks like market maker by Mandel. I know. Yeah, gold needs to drop lower. Already BPR at 78, like 6 points lower. I already running giveaway right now, guys. I will announce winners in 30 minutes. Here's the form to participate in giveaway. And guys, if you don't join tomorrow, I will be on my Funded Futures TV at 10 a.m. For 30 minutes only, I will run special sale on any size, any account. It's going to be 20% off. So join tomorrow my Funded Futures TV at 10 because you don't want to miss the sale. It's special sale. Right now they're running 5% off, but I will run 20% off. Oh, you're short and long. You nice. You're amazing. Good job. Yeah, I see the inside market maker. Buy model. What do you mean they ban you for copy tracing? What do you mean by this? I mean, you can copy. What was the problem? I'm sitting flat today at all. Nothing, absolutely nothing, even on gold. Oh. Annoying. Okay, send me. I will check this. That's strange. Yes, I'm in this trade. I'm in this long. But it's swing trading. I'm not going to count this. I'm in this long. So choppy. So can you please send me direct message about your losses and wins? So that feels strange. Oh, to trade minis, 150K. To trade micros, 50K is enough. Even like 25K is enough. But to trade minis, like you need 150K account. Okay, I'm just aiming, guys. I will move in profit. So basically, I will move my stop loss from break even to the swing low once we take this buy side liquidity. I have take profit trader 150K accounts, and I risk around like $500 per trade. Yeah, around so. 10%, yeah, around so. So I'm in this trade only for now. Nothing else I hold just yet. So entry on Euro was based on potential RDC in 5-minute OB. That's why I entered there. But bias was hourly fair value gap and daily fair value gap. So basically inside this daily fair value gap, we got hourly fair value gap, and my task to find 5-minute smart money reversal. This is what I did to enter the trade. Okay, yes, is NQ just choppy, extremely choppy. Gold CL also sitting inside consolidation. I don't know why it's doing. I'm not sure what kind of news we are waiting for, but it feels strange. Yeah, I don't want to argue with you because yes, and especially NQ and yes, right now looking more bullish. YM kind of like 50-50. We have previous week high higher. But we got straight move up, so I don't want to see the retracement down again on YM. Once again, no complaints, like it's okay. But I nothing I like today. Of course, I will try to trade. I will look for setup during lunch or PM session, but not sure how it goes. We'll see. So, guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, here is a link. On gold, we still inside for our bullish fair value gap, and inside this bullish fair value gap, I would like to be bullish, so I would like to wait for the action. So yeah. Okay. I already started giveaway. I just will announce winners a bit later because some people just joined. At 11. I will announce winners at 11. So we got the test of weekly open. We're still sitting inside OT of it's actually monthly week. Sorry, guys. So we're sitting inside OT of monthly week and we didn't get any reaction just yet. We got SMT with NQ minor SMT. I don't think like it's important SMT just yet. It's only 1040. And super profit. So I'm flat. 3rd day in a row. Unfortunately. I just don't like anything so far. I'm not done for the day. I will try to trade lunch. I hope it will go well, but I don't know. Let's see. Trap him. This feels like boring price action so far. We got moved to daily open in New York, midnight open on NQ, and ES was so close to New York midnight open but failed. I know. There's nothing I like. I didn't like anything yesterday. I still don't like anything today. Nothing changed. Anyway. Oh, if you got perfect trade, I'm happy for you. So maybe that's me, but I didn't see like solid setup at all. Once again, depends where you entered. Maybe on 1 minute chart something solid, but once again. Look at this 1 minute chart so far. Where can I find your username? It's actually a name that you have right now on your, you can see right now in the chat. You think like 1045 should offer something? Let's see. Straight move up or straight move down? No, I'm sitting flat today. I was sitting yesterday on Friday. On Friday, I didn't even trade. We had like meet the teacher event. So yeah, flat. We'll try to trade maybe after lunch, but I don't know how it goes. Who actually knows? Yeah, it feels like accumulation right now on Q for the second stage of market maker model. I just need to be scalper, like aim for 1 hour and be done for the day, and that's it. So it will be way better than just waiting for 2 hours, something like this. Let's see what will happen. We still just based on weekly open. You know, overall, it was hard this month because overall picture was quite choppy. Okay, we just broke below distortion low. Basically, distortion low was here, right? YM still bullish. YM still has previous week higher, higher, right? So yes, we got distortion. Let's see if 1 minute wants to be inversion, because if so, it's going to be second stage of market maker buy model. So for this, we need to create 1 minute inversion for a value gap. To pump. Let's see if my inverses. Okay, guys, last chance to enter giveaway. And I will start announcing winners. We have some SMTs at loss between IES and Q. Come on, last chance to enter. And yeah, I will try to trade PM then. Nothing worse to try just yet. Yeah, we'll end up being just flat. Okay, guys, you have time to enter. 5 more minutes. Okay, guys, 3 more minutes to enter giveaway. One more minute to enter giveaway, guys. You're not using external mic for output. Let me see. That's because you can hear my keyboard. Nope, I do use. So it doesn't let you sign up for my founder teachers. Why? What's the problem there? Okay, guys, it's time for giveaway. So it's time for giveaway. So quick reminder, 3 My Funded Future Scale Plans accounts for giveaway. First winner is 61. I'm going to post in the chat. Who was that guy? 61, 61. I know who it is, by the way. Like, hard to read this. I know, like, first guy. Second, 424. Okay. It is what it is, so. And next one. 123. Nice number. Last winner. By ML, yes. Winners. Congratulations. Give us a scan. I'm sorry about this. I'm so sorry. Good job. Congratulations. Yeah, it wasn't easy price action for me today. So I will try again after quick break. So just I need some break from this mess probably. So I will see you tomorrow on my Funded Futures TV at 10 a.m. for a special sale. So tomorrow at 10 a.m. waiting for you on my Funded Futures TV, guys. I wish you perfect the rest of the day because price action right now just not worth for me to wait for something to happen. So I will try just after lunch to see how it goes. And if nothing, then nothing. So, okay. Like so far, just 3 days in a row of no trades at all. I don't know why, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm in one trade right now. I'm in long right now on euro. That's it. That's it. That's what I'm holding. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. And don't make stupid mistakes and wish you perfect the rest of the day, guys. Bye bye.